Are you in love with souped-up golf carts? Maybe your whole neighborhood enjoys circling the block in their decked-out carts. Well, if you're looking for new tires for your cart, look no further. With its thick lugs and unique tread pattern, the Excel Tire Sahara Classic Golf Cart tire is the perfect tire for any type of on-road or off-road terrain. For example, the tall and closely spaced lugs in the center provide a smooth, stable, and rather quiet ride. They deliver exceptional grip across various road surfaces, and when encountering rain or puddles, the tall tread design helps sling water away from the center contact patch for constant traction. The zigzag arrow-like block pattern in the center also provides a repetitive bite for predictable handling on challenging off-road trails. On either side of the main tread and extending towards the sidewall are rows of spaced lugs with recessed tops. This design helps with flexing and gripping onto dirt, rocks, and roots when traversing through rutted areas. Spacing between these knobs is also key as it allows for easy mud and debris dispersion. On top of its functionality, the XL Sahara Classic tire is quite stylish with rugged looks. This tire comes in 8 different sizes. You can choose from a smaller, more traditional golf cart size such as an 18 by 9.5 for an 8-inch wheel, or go up to a 23 by 10 for a 14-inch wheel to better suit lifted golf carts. You may be asking, why do I need such a fancy tire for my golf cart? We'd respond with another question. Don't you want off-road capabilities with all-terrain tread, quiet operation, and a speed rating of 62 miles per hour? Comprised of a durable 4-ply construction and marked with DOT approval on the sidewall, the XL Sahara Classic Golf Cart tire is a great choice for adventurous golf cart owners that want style and good street performance, but also want to travel beyond paved surfaces. If you have any questions, please visit us at chatmoto.com. or call 800-841-2960. Thanks for spending the time with us today. Take care and ride safe.